What's going on, everybody? My name is Aris and today's video is all about applications that I use on my iPhone as a YouTuber. And the first one being Fonto. Fonto is the best application on iOS devices or even any mobile operating system that will allow you to create thumbnails for your YouTube videos. And this is the application that I've been creating thumbnails, and I seriously love this application and I would definitely recommend you guys. Developers of Fonto have not paid me to say anything about this. However, I love this application so much that I seriously will recommend everybody out there to download this application to make greatest thumbnails. As you can see in the B-roll footage, these thumbnails look really dope, and these all are made on this application. I know these are not the most professional kind of thing, but if you're getting just started on your YouTube and you don't own any laptop or Photoshop experience, I guess this is the best thing you can download on a device, and it is seriously very easy to use this app. Second video I use about YouTube is Live Subs. This application is my go-to app for iOS since the day one I started my YouTube channel, and this application allows me to see my live subscriber count right away on my widgets panel, and I seriously love this thing. Whenever I just wanted to look at my subscriber number, I just pull down my notification center and it seriously does this like a magic. It refreshes it, and whenever I'm not connected to the internet, it just gives me the last updated subscriber count. Another application that I would really recommend you guys to download if you have to film your videos on your iPhone is the Filmic Pro. I know every YouTuber out there have told you guys about this, that this is hands down the best application to record videos on your iOS devices. This is seriously the most creative way to unleash the power of your iPhone. And as a filmmaker and as a tech YouTuber, it is my theory or my moral duty to tell you guys about the best way to record, or the most efficient budget way to record the best quality videos you could with the gear you already have, and that's the one in your pocket. And I started from zero when I had the iPhone 5s only. I recorded my videos on it, I edited on it, as well as for some videos I used my mom's Galaxy Alpha to record videos on, but I edited them, I make thumbnails on my iPhone 5s, and I uploaded my videos directly from my iPhone 5s with the screen on. As on iOS phones you have seen this thing that every application, even in the background, stops running after 10 minutes, and I had to turn on the screen or make it or remain it on just to upload my videos, and this was how I dedicated. And the last application for today is if you had to upload videos or edit your videos directly from your iOS devices. From my time when I used to edit videos on my phone, the only application available which was my favorite was Filmmaker Pro, and this application have been my go-to for everything I've done on my iPhone. I know I've used Pocket Video, I know I've used iMovie, and this was the hands down best. It allowed me to color grade the way I wanted, it allowed me to apply filters on my video, it allowed me to edit animated text, and it allowed me to edit or export the video on 1080 HD, which was seriously decent at that time I uploaded the video, or even now 1080 is considered the most decent quality video you can make and edit easily. CC has been released on iOS, and it is pretty much the best editing app you can download right now. Color grading is awesome, text is awesome. I think that hands down, if you don't only own iPhone or iPad Pro, this is your go-to. This should be your go-to, and if you are planning to start a YouTube channel, this is the best thing. Gear does not matter that much. What in front of the camera matters the most. However, if there are two YouTubers, just consider two, and you're one of them, you don't have the best gear out there, however the other one has one, then people would love to watch his videos, and the first thing they wanna make it to click with their video is the thumbnail. And I think that Fonto is the must have. You have to download this application because you wanted to create these custom thumbnails, and this is the key to get your video clicked. I've been using these things since I guess a year now, and they have pretty much helped me to gain from 100 subscribers all the way to the 3800 subscribers. And I know it is not the biggest number you can see or a very huge number, but it really means a lot to me, as most of my subscribers are like not that regular, just because I'm not, and I will be making videos every single day from now on. And I've I've said this thing a lot of times and I just couldn't. I'm seriously very lazy person. I just cannot tell you guys about that. I guess I've told only 3 phone to live subs. And that's for me in this video. Hope you guys do like this. And if you did, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe button for more videos like this. My name is Harris. This is Apple Now. And I am signing out.